Welcome! The objective of this tutorial is to guide you on how to integrate NeuralSeek with a brand new AWS Lex V2 instance. Let's begin by opening to the Curate tab on the dashboard of the NeuralSeek instance you wish to integrate with AWS Lex. Select the instance you wish to export. Hit Export to AWS Lex V2. A zip file should download. Now, navigate to your AWS Lex console. Hit Action next to Create Bot, then select Import. Create a name for your new bot, making sure it differs from your existing ones. Remember that file we exported from NeuralSeek earlier? Under Input File, hit Browse File and upload that from earlier. Optionally, you can create a password. Choose your IAM preferences, COPA preferences, idle session timeout, and add tags if you wish. Once you're done, select Import. Now, you'll see a freshly loaded Lex V2 instance labeled NeuralSeek. You can click on the instance and view the intents curated by NeuralSeek. Now, you're one step closer to becoming a customer care pro with NeuralSeek and AWS Lex.